Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe, and if you do like it, please share. I've tried recreating this Katrina Kaif's beautiful soft pink look from her upcoming movie Bharat. She's as it is very beautiful, and I've tried to do justice with her look today. I arranged for this pink sari, and all the makeup was very minimal, so did not have to dry that hard. Let's see how I tried doing this look today. Let's start. Starting with priming my lips, I have applied my Maybelline lip balm, and now comes the primer time, which is a very important step for a foundation application. I'm using my Patanjali aloe vera gel as a makeup base as it finally fills up the pores in your skin. For foundation, I have gone for a change today. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Foundation number 120 in warm nude. It's a big thick foundation, so I'm trying to apply with a brush for the first time today to see how it goes, but it was pretty difficult to blend. Next up is the concealer. I'm again using Maybelline Under Eyes Concealer today. It's again a thicker product, so I will not go in with a brush for this. I will take my beauty sponge, which I love using. It is absolutely super easy to blend with it and give a very smooth finish. And I hope you remember that you have to dampen your beauty blender so that it does not absorb the product. Do not forget to apply the concealer on your eyelids as well to make a base for the bit of eye makeup that is coming up. After you blend it, please take the loose powder, any loose powder that you prefer. I'm using Maybelline Master Fix loose powder to set the concealer so that it does not crease. There was very light contour on Katrina's cheeks on the high bones, so I'm taking this stick concealer from Contour. It also has a highlighter on the other side. I'll be contouring very slightly on my forehead, on my cheek, on my nose bridge, because her nose is thinner than mine, as of course you can see on the screen. I will also contour my chin and my jawline. Time to blend. This will give a very light effect on your cheeks. If you want a lighter contour, you should prefer contour sticks rather than powders. I'm also making sure to contour my chin so that it gives somehow the perfect look at Katrina's face. I'm sure I cannot look that beautiful, but yes, we can all try. And do remember to contour and blush your face according to the structure of your own face. You cannot match the structure of the bones and the cheeks and the jaws according to some other person. After that, we will brush off the excess powder to give a complete finished look. Look at the shine. Next up, the eyebrows. Her eyebrows were very natural and very light, so I will not have to work very hard on it today. I'm just taking a very light coffee shade to shape up my eyebrows. For the eyes, I'm going with my Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Do apply on your lower waterline plus on your upper eyelid as well. She did not have a prominent eyeliner as far as I could guess from her eyes, so we will use this as a bit of eyeliner as well and smudge it out at the end to give that black smoky eye effect. You can take a small sponge, a very small slender brush, and smoke it out. And when you think it's done, just stop there. Time for the eyeshadow. I'm taking this light brown shade today. I could see a very light brownish effect on her eyelids. So I'm taking this light brown eyeshadow from my Nycka 23 palette matte eyeshadow. And I'm trying to carve out a V and a crease over my eyelids. After doing that, we will try to blend it well. You can add a bit of more color on the outer V to intensify the eyes. That's it. That's pretty much the eyeshadow that she has applied, and that's the complete eye makeup. For the cheekbones, I do not see a blush that is on her cheek, so I'm just going out with my lipstick, a pink lipstick that I had. I'm just dotting it on my cheekbones and I will blend it out with a brush. You can go with any light pink blush if you have. I did not, so I was bound to use it, guys. And that's it. That's a black bindi there, and the look is complete with a makeup fixing spray. Her hair was curled. I anyways have curly hair, so I did not have to work hard to get that look. So I'm finishing with my lips with a light pink color, same shade I applied on my cheekbones. She had matte lips, so you can take a layer off with a tissue paper, and to give that matte effect you can apply a bit of loose powder over your lips. And for the mascara, this is my Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, my all-time favorite, the wand of this mascara. As I've always mentioned, I love it. It is a very easy applicator, and do not forget to apply it on your lower eyelashes as well, and then you get your complete eyes. So we're done with the makeup, guys. This is the complete look. I hope you like it. I tried my level best to match up to Katrina. I might not, but still. Thank you so much for watching and love you all. Bye bye.